Hey everyone, in this quick video, let's have one common JavaScript interview question, that is, where to keep your script tag in the HTML document. So the answer is always inside the body tag of your HTML document. You want to know why? So let's have one practical example. So suppose we have script tag inside the head of our HTML document. Then suppose we have an h1 element with the ID, heading, and suppose we need to change the content of this h1 with the help of JavaScript. So how we will do that? We will use JavaScript HTML methods, that is document dot get element by ID, and we will pick this h1 element with its ID, that is heading. Then we will use inner text. Let's have it as h1 from head. Now it will give error. So let's see first. So we have the original content. So it gave error that cannot set properties of null. So what do you mean by this? It means as we have the script tag in the head of our HTML document, so this line would have been executed first, and it is trying to find the element with the ID, that is heading. It means it is trying to find the h1 element which is not even present there. It means that time h1 would not have been created. So how can it change the contents of that element which is not even present? So now let's have the script tag inside the body of our HTML document. Now it will not give any error. So yes, the content of h1 got changed. Now, by keeping the script tag in the body of our HTML document, we made sure that first the HTML file gets loaded there and the h1 element would have been created there in the DOM, and then this line is executed, and then it can easily change the content of h1 element which is already present. So yes, that's all for this video.